to all of you. In this section of my video, we will be going through the logic and concept of Ohm's law. This Ohm's law is a topic of chapter number 3, class 12th NCERT, as well as class 10th chapter electricity. Now, this Ohm's law is a very important topic as this concept is used widely in physics. First, we will go through the definition of Ohm's law, then we will go through the expression of Ohm's law, and at the very last, we will derive the relation of Ohm's law, that is, we will deduce the expression of Ohm's law. The statement of Ohm's law says, current flowing through any conductor is directly proportional to the magnitude of potential difference developed across the ends of any conductor. Or you can also say that potential difference developed across the ends of any conductor is directly proportional to the magnitude of current flowing through it. Now, there is also an important condition to the Ohm's law, that it should be provided that physical conditions like temperature, mechanical strain, humidity, etc. should be kept as constant. While doing Ohm's law, practically you should take care that these physical conditions should be constant. Now, as I have written the definition here also, you can go through the definition. According to what we have just defined with the help of definition, that potential difference BV across the ends of conductor carrying a current, let us suppose the current BI, physical conditions such as temperature, mechanical strain, etc. be kept as constant. According to the statement, I write I is proportional to V, or you can write V is proportional to I. Since this is the sign of proportionality, converting the proportionality to equality, you have to introduce a constant. So I have introduced a constant. This constant R is known as resistance of the conductor. Its unit is ohm. There are different parameters like length, area of cross section on which resistance of a conductor depends. But here resistance is a constant. Therefore we can write V by I is equals to R, which is a constant. Also, if we draw a curve between current and potential difference, we will get a straight line which shows that resistance of a conductor, as according to Ohm's law, is a constant. So this was the basic theoretical aspect of Ohm's law. Going on to the next section, which is a derivation of Ohm's law, you should keep in mind while doing the derivation of Ohm's law that we are using a certain relation which we have studied earlier. So since we know that the drift velocity is E tau by m, we had already studied. Field applied across any conductor is V by L, we also know this. Substituting the value of E in this equation of drift velocity, we get Vd equals to E V tau by ml. Also, there is a relation which exists between current and drift velocity, I equals to N E A V D, where N is the number of free electrons per unit volume, E is the electronic charge, A is the area of conductor, and Vd is the drift velocity. Let this be equation number 3. Equation number 4. From equation number 3, substituting the value of drift velocity in equation number 4 and simplifying the equation, we get I equals to these parameters equals to V, or we can write V by I equals to ml upon Ne square tau. Since all these parameters are constant, and according to Ohm's law, the resistance is the parameter which is constant. So you can write V equals to Ri, where R resembles ml upon Ne square tau. Hence, with this value of R, we can observe that on how much different parameters resistance of a conductor depend. This concept of resistance we will be also studying in our next concept, and next topic. This whole was about the concept, logic and expression of Ohm's law. This is very important topic. Study it well. I hope you have gone through the very well explanation of Ohm's law. Thank you.